Module 25, linked table and query updates. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, we will be using the linked table feature to link up the SQL Server database tables. There are a couple of things that need to be done. The first thing that we'll do is link tables, update the queries, update the subforms, and update all DbAccess files. Let's start coding. Alright, let's go to our File Explorer. Let's go to Access Projects. We are going to do a link table today, a continuation from last time. So let's make a copy of this guy. We did module 24. However, it was a SQL. So let's make a copy of 23. Copy, paste. We're going to change that to 25. Module 25, and let's see, hold on here. 25, yep. Module 25, how about linked table? That's good. Alright, let's go inside and open it up. So what we want to do today is to bring in the tables we from the SQL Server that we did yesterday. Before we can modify these guys, and before we can delete these guys. Once we have done all we need to do, then we can delete this guy. But for now, we cannot delete anything. All right. So we have to make sure that we replace and update these queries first. So let's go to external data, new record source, and from SQL. Right here, from SQL. And here we're going to do a link. You see the select the bottom option and go next. Oh, actually, you know what? We cannot do that just yet. Hold on. I'm ahead of myself. What we need here, in our folder, in here, a while back I did a link table, which requires DNS file. So there is a link table video. If you have not watched it, you can watch it. But there's a link table here that I did a while back. When was that? Let me see the date. That was back in back on the October 23rd. So what we want to do, we want to grab this guy right here, SQL connection, DSN. All right, copy that guy, and then back to our folder. We're gonna put that in our folder right there where we and paste it in. All right, let's open up the notepad and then make modification to this file. Notepad. Now, if you don't have Notepad++, you can use Notepad. All right. So I'm just going to use the notepad right now. That seems to be um, well, either one, it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm just going to use this guy. Got a bunch of new stuff here, translating the some of the stuff in different language. Let's see, what is this guy? Oh yeah, that was the yeah. All right. Let's go to all filed. And module 25, and open up the SQL connection. And here, here's the database. That's a SQL server. That's my computer, and this is the instance. So that's a server. All right. And here is CMS. MS. That's the database. All right. Control S, save, and we are done. Now we can go back to the new data. Let's go to SQL Server Link. Now we're going to browse to all file. Module 25. Right there. Go in there, and we'll see this connection string right here. And don't worry about this. All right. Now, if you select this guy, Windows integrated, and that just clears it out. And don't worry about the server, SPN. Continue. And it lists up all tables. You see there? So we're just going to select these tables only. And I think if we've defined all primary keys correctly, it won't ask us. Oh, there's one here. Activity type. Maybe we didn't define that guy. Yeah, you know what? Let's go back there. Let's go define activity type. I'm gonna go back to SQL Server. That means we missed one. While that guy is opening up, or there is. Let's go in there. I'm gonna close this pad. All right. It says that the activity type, this guy, is not defined. Yeah, he's right. Let's make that a primary key. There. All right, we're done. We are done. All right, let's go close that out. So here you can see the link tables that we just imported, and it's identified by DBO underscore. So in this video, what we will be doing is to go through all the queries, these queries and action queries to update all our stuff. So let's go in the first one. This guy right here. All you would do is DBO underscore, and that's that. DBO underscore. That's done. Save. Close. That's it. That's all you would do. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to just go through all this DB. Oopsie. Let's go to right there, DBO underscore DBO underscore. Make sure you type it correctly. Save, close. That's the same way. DBO underscore. I'm just going to replace this name to make it look like so. Control S, close. Next, DBO underscore. Control S. It's pretty nice and simple. Let's go to this guy. This one has a transaction running balance. So we're just going to leave that, but we're going to go in here and modify this company and customer. First thing that we need to do is type in this name, and we're going to copy that. DBO underscore, copy, and find the company and paste. Wherever you see company, and don't go beyond that. That's that. Now let's go to inner join customer, DBO customer. Again, copy that. Right there, customer. So this is what we'll be doing today, is to update all these queries. So this is what programmers do. It's a tedious job. Someone has to do it. That's it. That's it. Oh, forgot the this guy. Let's see, company. This is inner join. Yep, that's good. Control S. Now, just because you have not updated the transaction, you can still run this, because this transaction essentially is the same as the access transaction. So we should be able to run this just like that. All right. That means it's good. All right. That means we did not have any hiccups. Okay. And then once we update this one, they would all be using the SQL Server tables. All right. Right now, this is SQL Server table. These two guys, not this guy. So I'll close that, and I'm gonna update. Yeah, sure. Gonna update this guy. Actually, you know what? Update this guy, because this guy uses this guy to do the self join. So if you go in there, you see there, base T1, query transaction base T1. Alright, so you don't have to update that one. You can just update this guy, and that would take care of the balance, all balance stuff. Let's go in there, and I am going to DBO here, and then get rid of this bracket, like so, and then copy that. Yeah, make sure you don't miss any one of them, because if you do miss, it's not going to give you any hiccup. Well, it will. Right, it will, because it said, hey, what are you talking about? That's what it would do. That's good. Control S. And let's take a look. Perfect. No hiccups. Good. So now we can double click that. We can see it. So that is essentially this. We are now running against the SQL Server tables here. Oops. I get it. So yeah, I think we just destroyed that guy. Nope, we didn't. Good. Phew. Yeah, you cannot go to the design view for this self join. All right, it's just going to bark at you. Okay, and that's why we go to the SQL SQL environment for this guy. All right, let's see this transaction list. Here again, we're gonna do, when you go in there, let's remove that underscore here, remove the bracket, copy, paste, there, almost done. Now it's the customer. Before we do that, I want to change that as well, and then join DBO underscore, copy. I'll go ahead and paste this guy. Looks good. Alright, going to Control S there and run it. Okay, customer number, this guy would be DBO underscore T. Yep. Let's see if let's see, that fixed it. Yep, that fixed it. Alright, save, close. We're done there. Let's do the product. Go inside DBO underscore. The reason why I come in here, let me show you in a minute. Why can't I just pull the table inside to this pane? Let me show you in a minute. But right now, let me replace this guy. That's good. Why can't I just pull these tables and put it in here and update this list? Alright, well, the reason why some of these guys got the like search tag as right here, some of these guys are spelled out. Alright, then I would have to do two things. Click on this, go in there, click on this, go in there, click on this, go in there. Well, I don't want to do too many clicks and go in there. I just want to open, see it, like overview, and I just move my cursor around. Alright, and that's the reason why. It just makes it easier, and to me that's easier. For instance, if I were, yeah, this one is okay because it does not have a whole lot of stuff in here, right? So there is no I don't have an alias for the fields. So in this case, I can just do that. Right? I can just do this. Check this out. This product image. Product image right here. Put that guy in there. And now I can just use this guy like so. See there? I can do that. That's because I don't have an alias in here, right? Well, even if I had an alias, I could still do that. But then I have to update this guy. Control S. That's it. That's good. Close. Let's see. That was the product image. Product default. Let's do product category. See here, it's right here. This is where I was concerned. I guess I could do that too. It's not a whole lot. So I can do product category right here. I can just pull it right there and then change that to that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy, and when I come to here, I'm going to go inside and then copy this guy. You see where that might be problematic? I guess it's okay. Okay, it's alright. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I think that would be fine. Now I just remove that guy. That's because it doesn't have copy S. It doesn't have the product list in front of this guy. Alright, that's why I was concerned. Otherwise I would have to do this dot. Alright, so but because it doesn't, it's okay. It's okay because there's only one table and it knows there's only one table. There you go. So that's good. Save. Alright, so product by category. Here's the same thing. Now we have two tables here. And you know what? This should be, yeah, this should be just fine. This should be just fine. Yeah, see there? See, this is where I was talking about. Then I will have to go in there and update. Alright? So, so instead of just pulling in, I can just go back there and make and replace the DBO in front of these guys and then go in there. So it just makes makes it easier if you have a long list like this. Well, to me that seems to be easier. Since I can just make one copy here and just move along the line. There. See there? This is an alias. This is the one I'm talking about. If you got a long list that you concatenate, you got you can do the other ways. It's just going to be tedious. But this I feel like is easier for me, since I just go into one file and then updated it. Now this guy right here. Oh, I think we're done that one. Nope, that's next. All right. Yeah, that should be it. That should be it. We should be able to see that update. We should be able to run this. Yep, exactly. So close that out And now with this guy, now this one right here, the one we just did, this guy is the same as this one. So if we update this one, it will update this guy as well. So that's something that you need to recognize. So here, a whole bunch of stuff that we'll have to be careful with. So I'm just going to go in there. So here's the first one, DBO underscore. So we're going to look for product category. Copy. There. There. Just keep going, and that's it. Also one. That's it. Oh, right here. The reference. We gotta find out right there, product category. Alright, and then the next one is the inner join. Right here, DBO underscore. This is on product. While I'm on product, I'll go ahead and go on product right there. And then product. Yeah, this yeah, if you just open one file and work with it, I think that's that seems to be easier for me. All right. We did the product category reference. Oh, yeah. So we can go ahead and do that. Yep. And let's see, in the join right here, DBO. This is the many-to-many reference. All right. All we do here is change that to DBO underscore. Also here, DBO underscore. I think we missed right here. And then the query product default details. We done that one. Did we miss anywhere? I think that's it. Control S. Let's run it. Good. Woo. Good. We're done for that guy. All right. Control S. Close it out. Order total. Yeah, this one. See right here, we would have to go in there and modify the order detail. All right, so since we have that one, we can just come in here. Actually, right there, DBO underscore. Copy that. I think that looks good. Perfect. Save. Orderless. This should be easy too. Should be easy too. So let's go in there. Let's go into the SQL view, and we're going to DBO underscore. Remove that bracket. copy. Now do you know why it put the bracket in there? Because order is the reserved word, like order by. All right, and so put a bracket in means it's either a table or a field. All right, and that's why access wraps the bracket around it. All right, so that order is the reserved word. Right there, order. Order, right there. And now customer, DBO customer. Looks right, looks right. Oh, we need that's customer. No, oh, right here, DBO. That's why it was. Yep, and DBO right here. Make sure you get every one of them. Looks good to me. That's it. Good. We're almost done. We got a few more to go. This one a little hectic here. A bunch of stuff tied together here. Underscore there. Copy that. Yeah, if you are thinking of advancing your programming skill, I'm sure you'll learn a thing or two from me. Not a whole lot. One thing for sure, you'll learn how to be patient. I think I put that's a customer, I think. Yeah. I went too far fast. See there, I had to backtrack myself right there. All right, and right here, DBO underscore. Yeah, you might learn a thing or two from me, not a whole lot. One thing for sure, you learn how to be patient. Gotta be patient. Customer number right here. Yeah, patient. And stay away from confrontation. No confrontation. Oh yeah, be humble. Respect your colleague, alright? Just because you feel like you can do things this way, it doesn't make the other guy wrong. So, DBO, he has his own way of doing things as well. So respect him. Just to come up with the same solution. DBO there. DBO there. Alright, now we're down to order details. Right there. DBO. We're down to order detail. I'm going to copy that and replace that guy. And let's go find out order details right here, around here somewhere. That's one. That's one. That looks good. What do you think? Control S. Perfect. Perfect. If you didn't do it right, you would get hiccups. You will say, "What is going on?" All right. So when you can see when you can see the records, means that it means that you did it right. Order detail underscore. Just be patient, slowly crawling into it. You know, sometimes I get too fast. I spelled incorrectly. I miss here and there. I had to backtrack myself, which doesn't mean that it's bad. All right, when you have to backtrack yourself, it doesn't mean that you are bad. It means that you are good, because I see an error there. You see that expression one? Let's go in there and take a look what's going on there. Right here. Yeah, see there. It doesn't mean that you are bad. It just means that you are awesome when you have to backtrack yourself. Because if you make mistakes, can you backtrack yourself? Can you debug yourself? If you can do that, you are good. Unlike the ones that made mistakes and cannot undo the mistakes or resolve the mistakes. Now that's not good. That's not good. And that's why, you know, I make mistakes. All right, and everybody does. Everybody does. Yeah, everybody make mistakes, but good programmers know they can debug and fix and come up with a solution. They can correct their mistakes. Oh, and by the way, if you made mistakes, all right, don't be afraid to tell your boss, "Hey, sorry boss, I made mistakes. Can we get a backup and redo this guy?" Just be straightforward, all right? I've done that a couple of times. I had to say, "Hey boss, I accidentally did this and that. I need a backup for yesterday." All right? Just can you undo your mistakes quickly so that the online people can continue to work? Yeah, that's yeah. So if you can get your online people to back to work quickly, then you're good. And your boss like that, all right? I mean, he knows we do make mistakes. Good. Well, I know good boss understand that. I've been fortunate. I've been having good managers for the past many years, and they recognize your ability to do things. By the way, they can see the way you code. They can recognize your coding style. uh looking for customer right here. Yeah, they know, they can look at the coding style, the way you type, the way you write, your logic, and he or she can definitely, you know how good you are at the ability to do things and produce the results. I think that's it. I think we are done there. All right, well, let's take a look. Good. Woo-wee. Save. Close. One. I think we done that one. Did we do that one? Well, let's go in there. Nah. Now this one, I noticed this one. See, it has the list except that one. All right. I guess we can do that. We can just bring the activity in here. Oh, not that one. My bad. Right there. That guy. And then we're just going to change this guy to. I'm going to copy that. See that? That's easy too. Copy, paste. And then I'm going to switch. Oh, we need a activity type as well. Let's bring this guy in there. And then linking this guy to this guy. What's my activity type right here? There. Yep. Just like that. I think this guy is the yeah, this guy does not, activity name does not belong to activity. I think that is the activity type right there. I went too fast there. And now I'm gonna go, actually now I can just delete this guy. See there? Now we can go in here and see what's going on here. See if we have to massage anything in here. Nope. We're good. We are good. I say we are good. Control S. Take pick. See there. Description. Oh. Yeah, this is type as well. See there. Bam. Good. Alright, lastly. No. Yeah, last one. Activity. No, not that. My bad. It's down here. Yeah, activity list. We just did that one. Yep, we just did that one. Last one, account statement. Oh, we did that one too. We are done. Wow. We are done. So queries down. Let's take a look at the subforms. Here's where we need to we have to make sure that the record sets. Now we use the record sets for subforms. All right, it's called bonding, record bonding. But that's okay because we don't administer here, because all these guys are logged. All right, so if you look down here, see it says logged. All subforms are logged. All right. However, the form itself is separate from the records. And if you look at these guys, I'm just going to select all the fields and look at the locked control here. See, it's locked right here. All right, so it's okay to have record set bound to this form. All right, And all I'm interested in here is this guy right here. See what they look like. You see there? So I'm just gonna delete that. Now the reason why it's like that is because it defaults like that, and eventually it's just gonna say, okay, you just want me to default to 20. All right. Sometimes I think it's too smart. Okay, so that's good. As long as it's not pointing to the tables themselves. I'm looking for the ones that's pointing to the table themselves, like this guy right here. I think that's a table right there. See there? In that case, we type in like so. You see? And then we'll have to go back in there. Oh, you know, we forgot to go back in there. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We need to fix the module anyways, right? So don't worry about that. I'm just gonna close that out. I need to go back here because in the back file behind here, you see here, we want to make sure that these guys comes from the queries. All right, if they come from the tables, then we have to update the table. So that's good. Yeah, that's good. If it comes from the queries, we don't have to worry about it. All right, forgot to go in here as well. So we want to make sure all the forms are good. All right, so that's good. How about this guy? Good. How about this guy? Yeah, this guy right here. You see that? You see that? DBO underscore. Gotta do that. Save. Control S. That is query list. Like so. Okay, we're done with that. Let's see product. This should come from product list. Yep. So that's fine. That's good. This is the product order. That's good. Comes from product list. I'm looking at this here on this side right here. That's good. Yeah, that's good. That comes from the query. Yeah, anything anything comes from the query is good because we just finished updating them. That's order list. That's good. This should be a customer list. That should be customer list. Yep. So if you design this correctly and name them and name them correctly, it's easier to it's easier to modify. And we've been doing real good. What's going on? What is this? We don't want that. Anytime we see green stuff, we don't like that. Activity date. I don't see activity date. Activity list, activity date. Let's go back to the let's look at the query. Activity list. It doesn't have this guy. Did we miss it? Did we take it out? That is weird. That's also an ID there. Activity ID. Did we you know what? I think I know what happened there. So what happened, I believe what happened here is that we were looking at this and I was replacing a bunch of these and then remove the table, and therefore the two fields in front of these guys, like these guys, will also remove because we removed the old table. Alright, I think that's what happened, because if you advance here to like so, you wouldn't see those first two items, two fields, and we were just pasting this and this and this and so on. And that goes to show you why I don't like to update the front end. Now we should be okay now. I just close that out, say no, and then if I go back in there on the activity, we should be, there you go. That's better. No greeny stuff. Alright, what about this guy? This is the calendar. Oh, start time. So we're missing a start time. So let's go back in there. That's also an activity list. Bam. Move that start time to right there. That's what else we're missing. Start, in, type, text, completed. Okay, good. Phew. Alright. So that should be fine. So let's take a look at it again. It should be fine. Yep, start time. Okay. How about order? Good. Customer. Oh, we looked at that already. Good. Alright. So once you're done with this, don't expect too much, alright? Make sure don't expect too much. Just recognize that, hey, there are going to be errors that you're going to have to fix, alright? So now we have to go to the these guys, the DbAccess. We have to go through each DbAccess functions. Go through each of them right here. Let's see. Select from. Okay, if it's query, it's good. Don't need to worry about it and move on. Let's go look for like right here. There, we gotta type in DBO. Alright, let's go to the next one. Here, DBO underscore. DBO underscore. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna copy that. Die. Copy the last one. Alright, let's go to company. See company right here. Copy. Paste. Oh. See there. Oh, that's alright. That's okay. That's a different one. Alright, that's okay. That's an object. We're looking at the table. Right here. Control S. Let's move on. Customer. See there. Copy. Paste there. So if you are following the videos make sure you don't go too fast. Alright, the videos are meant to be viewed in succession. Alright, don't skip, because if you skip, you're going to probably miss something. Alright, so don't skip the video. That is if you really want to learn. If you don't want to learn, then that's okay. Alright, and nobody's, we all make ourselves to be something. And yep, see right here. Although that's the this is different. Good. Control S. There shouldn't be anything in here in xxDB here. No record set there. Holiday. Oh no, holiday. Nope, that's dates. So nothing in holidays, because that has nothing to do with the database. Image order. There's something in order. Something in order. Yeah, make sure you go through line by line. All right, let's go through line by line. Whoa. You know what? Hold on, let's start from the beginning. I noticed something. Grand total. See here? Oh, that's query. That's fine. I thought I saw something right here. Order details. DBO underscore order. I'm gonna remove that guy, make it look real nicer. There. And I'm gonna copy that booger. See here. Replace it. It's right there. See there? Yeah, just go through line by line. Just see that that's inside there. Need to remove that. There. Let's go line by line. Don't skip a beat. And if you do, you're gonna find out why. Order detail. Let's put DBO in front. That's the query. That's fine. Right here, let's put DBO in front. DBO in front. There. Yes, the same way. Let's put DBO in front. So programmers that think differently, act differently, behave differently, and they have patience. Alright, they have patience. So if you don't have patience, well, I think everything needs patience. Alright, DBO. You gotta be patient to be detailed oriented person. Here, test orders. Oh, these are test orders. These are test orders. Yeah, we did that one time. I don't think we're going to use it again. But regardless if you're going to use it again or not, just update it. Alright, so I think I'm done with that one. See here, insert into DBO, from DBO, and that's all you have to do. The rest is leave everything the same. Here, DBO, DBO, insert, delete, right there. Yeah, you wouldn't have to go through lots of lines. Alright, so we got that. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. You'd be surprised how many lines of code you've been coding. If you look back from module 1, from blank page, I bet you've got about 5,000 lines of code by now. If you really want to take me on, count it. Go from module 1 till now. Probably have typed in at least 5,000 lines of code. I think so. You don't recognize it because you do it on a daily basis. But hey, I gotta say I'm proud of you. You've been following me up till this point. You are doing real good. I guarantee you will be successful one day and real soon. Just don't give up. Alright? You have to be a little detail oriented. Alright? It's alright if you mistype or like I do. That doesn't matter. What matters is that can you fix it? That's the part that everybody look for. Alright? We are human, we make mistakes. I do make mistakes. You see me make mistakes all the time. And sometimes I intentionally do that. And I tend to scroll up and down like I don't know what I'm doing. But my eyes are like, okay, I need to go back there. So but that's what you'll be doing. You'll be thinking, oh, where is it? That's supposed to do this supposed to do that. But if you recognize the error quickly, then that is a plus. Once you get an error in the interception, and you say, hey, I know that guy, I know what that means, that's good right there. It's when you get an error and you're scratching your head and say, what the heck? That's different. That's different. DBO. I bet you I've probably mistyped a couple of them already. Just doing the replacing the names here. But I won't know until I run, right? See transaction, update DBO. Copy that guy. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, and don't be afraid. I'm not afraid. Don't fear. I'm not afraid. You want to bark at me? I'm gonna clamp you down. I'm gonna clamp you down. I'm not afraid. See, that's the attitude. Attitude is, hey, I'm not afraid. I can fix this. You know, you gotta be confident. I think that's it. I think that's it. We got all the DB access. All right. So naming convention is real important. You see how I skipped these modules that are unrelated to database. All right, like transaction type, report type. Those are unrelated. You see there? Those are unrelated. So so like this guy, order status. See there? Image size. See, these are unrelated to the database. You see, and that's why naming convention is very important. All right. So anytime you update the database, you know, hey, I only need to go through the DbAccess, some of it, except this one. See, I'm talking about it, but then I ran into here the XL DbAccess. So that should have been DbAccess. That should have been XL. But the reason why I did that, you can't just type XL. There might get confusion with the library. See, it's got XL there. That name, you know, and sometimes you have to, yeah, you have to be careful with naming. For example, sometimes some names you cannot use. All right. So that could be the reason why I tried that and then I had to do that. Anyways, I think we are done. All right. And we're done for today. All right. So this is getting long enough. I'm gonna stop right now. In the next video, we are going to test it out. I am not going to test it today. I am, I really want to double click this right here, main navigation, but I'm not. The reason being is if it barks at me, I can't just get away from it. I just want to attack it and fix it and make it right. But if I don't double click it, I don't see it, I can just leave. All right. Happy programming, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.